what we got here is, here's some pole beans. And I didn't get bush beans, but pole beans, you got to put them for something them to climb on. And I'm going to use that pole back there. But I remember when I was helping my dad in the garden, he would always cut some sticks in the timber and put like 4 of them into a teepee and put the whole row down the whole garden row, and then put that brown baling twine around them for the beans to climb on. And lima beans too. He used to have pole lima beans too. But I meant to get bush beans, but these are anyway. Also got a couple packages of moonflowers. I'm gonna plant on this arch here with all the clematis and everything else. And here's the cypress vine. Here's a cypress vine that I might plant on there too. And so that's what I'm going to do today in the garden. So, and here's what I want to use. Use my pitchfork to dig a hole, and garden rake and a hoe. And let's get started. Hole here. Put an old broken garden rake. So first I'm going to rake back the mulch. One of these cool things about using a mulch is look how moist this dirt is down here. That's the advantage of using a mulch. Whereas if it's even wet in there. So if you had this just out in the open, it would be all dry. So that's one of the advantages of using mulch. I'm going to get my look at that nice soil.
So how big a hole do you have to have?
Well, not this big, but just get rid of things that are growing in here. What do I do with the seeds? Here they are. Right, an inch deep. Depth 1 to 1.5 inches. Okay. Okay.
Oh, he's going to put string on it.
Yeah.
You're ruining our strawberries here, Grandpa.
Oh.
I want to have some strawberries. You keep stepping at them.
Okay.
Now, tell what you're doing here.
Okay, so this is just my little idea. I'm going to put the string around it and take the gloves off. Now I'm taking the gloves off. Okay, let's just see how this works. Okay, Nathan, you want to cut it?
Yep.
Somewhere?
Just somewhere along
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Alright.
Careful with that knife, it's pretty sharp.
You want me to take it back?
Yes, please. Thank you. I'm just trying to tie a simple knot here. That's about it. This will give the pole beans something to climb on, hopefully. And of course I can always come out and watch them and twist them around the string, whatever. There we go. Okay, let's do the 2 packages of moonflowers next. We'll put one of them right here. So first I'm going to dig a hole. That package is really full. That was so full. Let's just put the other one in here too.
Let's see what the
Okay. Now we can put these, it's called a cypress vine over here. It's got real pretty cardinal shaped flowers. I think I stood up too fast. Over here.
get dizzy, did you?
Put right here. Right here. Maybe we should rake it off a little bit. Look how nice and wet that ground is underneath that mulch. Isn't that something? Okay, these are small, so we don't want to put too much over the top. Just so you can no longer see them. Okay, that should be good enough. Thank you, sir.
That it?
Yes. So there's our seeds that we want to plant. There's our seeds that we want to plant for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our tools away, and that's it. And thank you so much for watching. And if you liked that video, can you please subscribe and like this video and subscribe to this channel? Thanks a lot, and bye.